Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's on the minds of many of us this time of year, tax refunds. If you're lucky enough to get one, you're probably wondering what the best ways to spend it are. Well, we've got you covered. Here are 5 smart ways to make the most of your tax refund. Pay off high interest debt. If you have credit card debt or other loans with high interest rates, using your refund to pay them off can save you a lot of money in the long run. Not only will you be out of debt faster, but you'll also be saving on interest charges. Save for a down payment on a house. If you're looking to buy a home in the near future, using your refund to save for a down payment is a great idea. A larger down payment can mean lower monthly mortgage payments and a better chance of getting approved for a loan. Invest in your retirement. Setting aside some of your refund for your retirement savings can help you reach your goals faster and give you a more secure future. Whether it's putting money into a 401k or IRA, or investing in a Roth IRA, a little bit now can go a long way down the road. Start an emergency fund. An emergency fund can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency, a car repair or job loss. It's generally recommended to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up in case of an emergency. Invest in yourself. Finally, use your refund to invest in yourself. It could be taking a class to learn a new skill, taking a vacation, or buying something you've been wanting for a long time. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that brings you joy and that you'll remember for years to come. So there you have it, 5 smart ways to spend your tax refund. Remember, it's important to think about your long-term financial goals and make smart choices with your money. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more financial tips and advice.